Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with a Sony Xperia 10 Mark II. So there are two ways for it. Let me show you the first one. It works with the power button and the volume down button. So if you press these both buttons now for the same time and hold it, you will have a screenshot. So after you can share it directly, edit it directly, or if it's trash then you can just delete it. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button, hold it until you see that here, and then after, maybe if you want to edit it, go and edit, and then you have the chance may also to crop a part or give it another color and so on and so on. So let's go here on that symbol, because then we have the opportunity also to crop just a part here. Maybe if you just want to have the Google bar here, that's okay. And after you go just on done and save, copy, and it is part now of our gallery. Okay, in case you don't edit the picture, you don't have to do on done to have confirm it and so on, then it's going automatically to the gallery. So there's another way to take a screenshot by just using the power button. If you hold it until you see that screen here to off the phone, we can screenshot it here as well. So one more time, hold the power button until you see that point here, screenshot, and tap on screenshot, and we have a screenshot as well. And after you can see your pictures here at the photos, and oh, I need an update, he's told me, not now. So these are my camera pictures, and here below we have just the screenshot pictures, so very nice. And we will have also here our cropped Google bar. Yo, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. And that would be really helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. Would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.